Welcome to qnawire.
An arch in the shape of a parabola has the dimensions shown. How wide is the arch? 22 feet up. So we need to find, if that's 22, what it would be. Let's come up with an equation for this parabola. What we could do is think of this as the axes, the y-axis and the x-axis, and if we come up with an equation for it, we would know that it would have zeros if this is 26 feet at negative 13 and 13. So if we're coming up with an equation here, it would have to have factors of x plus and x minus 13 to have those zeros. And if it's 24 feet tall, we know that that this would need to, it would have to be true that, if I think of this as f of x instead, that f of 0 would have to be 24. Okay? So what is the model here? If we multiply this out, that would be x squared minus 13 squared is 169. So it'd be x squared minus 13x plus 13x cancels out minus 169. But in this instance, f of 0 is not 24, it's negative 169. And so we would need to scale this by negative 24 over 169. So that would become plus 24. Let me show you. Negative 24 over 169 times x squared minus 169 includes the point 0, 24, negative and positive 13, 0. Now, with that formula, algebraically, if we want to know when is it going to be equal to 22, we could solve this equation for x by dividing and finding the solutions, and then finding the difference between the solutions. But since I'm already on the graph, I'm just going to go ahead and graph y equals 22. That would be a height of 22. And I see the solutions. We want to the nearest thousandth. The solutions are negative and positive 3.753. I can even zoom in further. I thought maybe this would give me more decimals, but that's okay. Negative 3.753 and positive 3.753. Just the difference between them, or you can double that, 7.506. Hope that's helpful.